Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check tire pressure on a Toyota RAV4. So you get down here to your tire, and you get your little gauge. And so you take off this a dust cap, a debris cap, and then there's a little tiny, I don't want to say the word because it might offend people, but it's an NIPPLE. So we want to push in, and that's going to shoot out, and I don't want to offend anybody the way that shot out, but it's like 30, let's see, it goes by, let's see, 25, 26, 27, 30, 31, 32, about 34, so it's a little over 32, because on the side of your door is where your, I'll show you your driver door, it tells you what your tire should be. This is the back left tire, so you come over here, and you look around, and you should say rear tire 32 psi, 34, so that's okay. So, and the rest of them are 32, front, rear, and spare. We're in America, so we use the SI system or whatever. We don't use the other. We go by stupid stuff because we're even though we're fat and we're dumb. I'm not fat, but we're not dumb because we make the Googles, we make the Facebook, we make the YouTubes, we make everything. We go to space. That's good too. So we're able to do pretty much. This is where you come. Shit. I just dropped the dust cap on the ground. But pretty much this is the land of the free, and that's one thing we have going for us is innovation and making billionaires. So the Walmarts and the McDonald's and all that stuff. So you can make fun of our country all you want, but we're awesome like that. So anyway, got two more to check out here, and yeah. So that one's really high. Summertime usually that's like 30, 35, but the summertime is higher air pressures. Wintertime's when air pressure goes down. Now this is the one I was worried about because it's a little low. This dust cap's a little seen better days. As you can see, the end of it's busted out. So, oh my god, this one needs air. Wow, 12 psi. It might have a slight leak, so I'm going to air it up, and I have an air thing I'll show you. Actually, I'll leave that off there, and let me get the air thing. Get the air thing here. I store it down here, and gotta run the car too. Where's it at? There it is. It's a pretty loud device. Bear with me. Okay, so I turned the car on, and I have this air adapter thing. So I plug that in there, and then it'll make a lot of noise. So we're gonna open that door and go over there and start airing up this tire. But it was a good time. So I have to drop my clothes and everything. This thing usually takes a few minutes, but what you do is you hook it up like so. Since this tire is at 12 psi, which is really, really low, probably has a leak. But yeah. Now you wait about 5 minutes and you keep checking it. Alright, good time. Loud. little more. Still at 20.